Hello, my name's Mike. I'm from Access Irrigation, and in this video we'll be looking at tools that are going to help you install your irrigation and maintain it going forward. The most useful tool is the pipe cutters. Very sharp, nice blade on it, and also the blade is removable by simply pulling it out. That means you can clean it, resharpen it, and also lubricate the mechanism. Nice safety catch on it as well, and this will cut up to 32mm pipe, all sorts, UPVC and MDP and LDP type pipe work. The next tool is the pipe chamfering tool. Now when you're fitting compression type fitting for underground pipe, you need to chamfer the edge so you don't damage the sear when you're inserting the pipe into the fitting. So a chamfering tool enables you to just take that leading edge off. After you've cut it with your cutters, that will be nice and straight, and then we'll use the chamfering tool to take that edge off to give a nice lead in. Again, a useful product. Make sure you keep it clean, otherwise, like anything outside, it will rust. Next tool is a C-spanner. The C-spanner is useful for tightening fittings up without marking them. There's nothing worse than seeing a pipe fitting that's had a pair of grips on it and it's got teeth marks in it. So a C-spanner enables you to tighten it up tightly but without damaging it. And the final one, the saddle cutter. The saddle cutter enables us, after fitting a saddle, to produce the hole without causing any debris to go in the pipework. It removes the slug, and it takes, it makes a nice through hole without damaging it. So those are the main types of tools that I'd recommend. Obviously there's going to be others along the way, but these will get you started.